Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Wednesday, and the date is the 8th of December 2021. Okay? Um, Yesterday, we were talking about something. I asked you a question that what is the important thing that we cannot live without and we use it every day? You told me water and food. Now, where can we find water and food, ya Batul? Where can we find water and food?
We can find water from the clean rivers and maybe the clean oceans.
Okay, so clear river or clean ocean, where are they? They are in
Nature.
Excellent, thank you, Ya Batul. They are in nature. So our topic, Ya Jana, was about what? Natural what?
What, miss?
Our topic yesterday, we were talking about what? Natural?
Yeah.
Natural what? Can you read?
Natural resources.
Natural resources. Excellent, Ya Jana, close your mic. And we said that natural resources are things that we use, what? That comes from nature. Things that we use that comes from nature. Things we use that comes from where? From nature. Excellent. Okay, Habibi. Natural resources can be two things. Two things. What are they? It can be something and something. Now let's start with if it can be replaced easily. If I can replace it easily, Aline Walid, what should I call it?
I should call it.
Which kind
If
of?
It's a word and resources, right?
Yeah. If I can have it again and again, I can have new of it again and again. So what do I call this kind of resource?
Renewable resources.
Excellent, Yaleen. Renewable
Resources.
resources.
And miss, natural is things from nature, and resources it's mean things we can use. Things we use.
Excellent, Yaleen. Thank you very much. You can close your mic. Very good. Excellent. So renewable resources, things that we use, we can replace them easily. See, we can, or it can be replaced easily. Okay, if we have renewable resources that we can replace easily, there is another type which is the opposite, completely the opposite. If it's the opposite, so what does it mean? I will call it non-renewable. Let me write it for you. And I want you to tell me what does it mean. Non-renewable. Okay, non-renewable resources are the opposite of the renewable. If this one can be replaced easily, what is the opposite of it, Ya Yara? What is the opposite of renewable?
It is not no. Non-renewable.
Okay. Non-renewable. Are they can be replaced easily?
No.
No. So they are hard. Okay. We can write hard to find and hard to replace. Why? Because it will take millions of years to be replaced before we have a gain of it. So the resources that we are talking about, they cannot be replaced easily. Why? Because they are non-renewable. They can finish too quickly and they can be renewed after millions of years. Let's see the examples of the renewable and non-renewable resources. As we agreed, all the natural resources are things that we use. We can find them in nature, but they can be two types. They can be hard to find and they can be easy to replace. If they are hard to find and not easy to replace, we call them non-renewable. But if they can be replaced easily, we can call them renewable. I'm very happy that I can see you, Munia, writing, but Habibi, you can take a screenshot or you will find it in your book, okay? I'm very happy that you are writing. Thank you. Thank you. It will help you understand more. Now let's open our book and see the examples of the renewable and non-renewable. Yesterday we were talking about food and water. If food and water finishes today, definitely you can have more of them tomorrow or later. Unlike these stuff, what do you see in this picture? Let me see. Hi, Mariuma. What do you see in this page? What do you see? Tell me. Mariuma, can you open your mic and tell me what do you see in this page?
Okay. So I see rock.
Okay, this is a black rock. What do we call this black
Yeah.
rock? Huh?
Wait, let me open.
We
Which
call
page
it-
is this?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay, what is the word over here?
Coal.
Yeah, this
Coal
is
is a
coal
non-renewable
resource. Excellent. Thank you, Mariuma. So coal is a non-renewable resource. What do we do with coal? We burn coal to make electricity. So we can find coal in nature. We dig under the ground to find coal in nature and we burn coal. Why? To have electricity or to make electricity or different kinds of energy. So if we make electricity, we can use our computers, our lights, and our heaters and all electricity. Guys, if we find coal right now, can we find it again easily? Can people go dig under the ground easily and find it again? What do you think, Yadina? Is it easy to find coal or no? Is it easy to find coal or not?
Easy?
Are you sure? Is it easy to dig under the ground and go down deep and find coal every time? Or it takes...
No.
Yeah, so it is non-renewable. Excellent. Thank you, Adina. Thank you. Now let's see. All right, not only coal are not easy to find or not easy to replace, also we have something called gemstones. Gemstones are rubies, diamonds, and other stones that we use them to make jewelry. These resources, are they easy to find, Dilemma? Are they easy to be replaced or not?
No, they're not.
Excellent. Why?
Because because it takes a long time to dig them out of something.
Excellent, excellent. And sometimes people cannot find them easily. So we use gemstones to make jewelry for us. We use gemstones to make jewelry for us. Okay, guys, what do you think? How cars move? How cars can move from one place to another? What do we need to make car moves? Hi, Jayda. What do we need, ya Jayda?
Yes.
How car moves from one place to another?
How do they move?
Yeah, cars, what do they use? Do they use coal to make electricity in the car or no? Okay, what does
Some
your dad say when, oh, the car doesn't have gas, I should go to the gas station? Why?
gas station
Why? Because the car needs what?
because gas
Gas. Excellent. So what
to
does make
go a place to another place.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so gasoline, can you find it in nature or not? I think Jayda closed her mic. Hi, Malak Justania. Tell me, can you find gasoline outside in nature?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. What about oil?
You can find it in nature.
Yes, okay. Are they easy to find or people need to dig very deep and hard and they take time to find them?
People need to dig because gas is made out of dead animals that are inside the soil and
Nice, Malak, you're talking about not gas, you're talking about fossil fuels. There is something called fossil fuels. As you said, yeah, Malak, excellent, very good. They are made of dead animals, plants, and even humans that once upon a time they were living. And when they go under the ground, they analyze and become fossil fuel. Yes, that's right. Thank you, Yamaluka. Excellent, excellent. Okay, Habibi. I want you to open to page 253 with me. And let's do this exercise. I'm going to write the page number for you. It is page 253. Okay, let me make it bigger. All right, let's do this exercise together. What are the renewable and non-renewable resources over here? Let me start with Munya. Let me start with you, Munya. Habib. If the wind are renewable, we can find wind every day and it's easy to replace. The natural gas is non-renewable because it's not easy to be replaced. It sometimes take millions of years to have natural gas again. What about corn? What do you think? Hi, Amunia. Okay. Munya, again, you can open your mic now. Huh. What about corn?
Renewable.
Yes, excellent. Why? Can you grow corn every day? Yes, you can plant seeds of corn and you can grow corn every time and whenever you want. Thank you, Munya. You can close your mic. Juri, what about diamonds, ya Juri?
Yes, miss.
Juri, are they diamonds? Are they renewable or non-renewable?
Miss, I didn't understand.
Diamonds, are they hard to find, easy to replace, or what?
They're hard to find.
Are they easy to replace?
No.
No, because they are hard to find. Very good. So if they are not easy to replace and they are hard to find, are they renewable or non-renewable?
Miss, I don't know what's renewable.
Okay, I told you from yesterday and today that if the resources are easy to find and easy to be replaced, you can replace them easily, like crops or corn. If you finish the corn today, you can plant another corn tomorrow. So it's easy to be replaced. It's renewable. But if it's hard to find and really not easy to replace, it will become non-renewable. So diamonds, are they renewable or non-renewable?
Non-renewable.
Excellent, Yajuri. Very good. So they are non-renewable. Let's see Sadine. Sadine, are you here? Sadine. All right. Taline.
Yes, miss.
What about oil? Oil is renewable or non-renewable?
Oil, I think not renewable.
Excellent, non-renewable. Why? Because people cannot find it easily. They have to do what here, Taline? What do they have to do to find oil? They need to go underground and dig for oil. Excellent. Sometimes they go under the ocean to find oil. Do you know that, guys? What about water? Who can tell me? Hi, Arilam. What about water?
Water.
Is it renewable or non-renewable?
Renewable.
Excellent. It is renewable. Very good. Very good. Excellent. It is renewable. Okay, guys, after finishing this exercise, we are going to underline the main ideas that we talked about today. Are you ready? Is there anyone did not finish? Please close your mic, Yarilam.
Sorry.
It's fine. Okay, Habibi, now let's go up, up, up a little bit. Very good, Yelin. Let's go up over here. Let's underline the main ideas that we talked about today. What are the main ideas that we talked about today? Let's start with Ritan. Ya Ritan, are you here? Can you open? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Habibi, ya Ritan. The first thing we talked about today is, can you read?
Nor is
Non-renewable
resources is a neutral
source,
resources
a natural
that
resource.
can be used up.
Very good. What do they mean that it can be used up? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. What does it mean it can be used up? What do they mean? Hi, okay. Lin Tamer Bur'i, you don't have a mic? Okay, I don't think you have a mic, or it's fine. Lin Nawawi, what do they mean by it can be used up? It will finish or it will not finish?
It will finish.
Yes, excellent. It will finish. Like what? Give me the examples. Can you read the examples?
Okay. Oil,
Mhm.
coal, and natural
Natural
gas,
gas,
are in not
non-renewable
non-renewable rural
resources
resources. We
of the
use
what?
a product
To produce
produce the
different
red
kinds
kind
of
of an
energy. Excellent. Very good. Thank you, Eli Nawawi. So we have oil, coal, and natural gas. All these three are non-renewable resources. Why do we use them? We use them to produce different kinds of energy, even electricity, including electricity. So please, Habibi, please underline with me. Now, Loreen. Loreen, okay, this is Yara. Where is Loreen? Loreen?
Yes, miss.
Ha, Habibi, what is the next idea that we talked about today? Can you read this one?
Okay. They are fossil fuels that form over many years from the remains of once living
Organisms.
organisms.
Excellent, yeah, Lauren. Lauren, that means fossil fuels are made from who? From dead animals and plants and humans. Is that right? Okay, Lauren, you closed your mic. That's all right. That's fine. So the remain of once living organism, the dead animals, plants, and even human, long time ago, while they are under the ground, they become fossil fuels after many years. All the non-renewable resources can disappear too quickly. If we don't want to make them disappear too quickly, we have to conserve them. What do I mean by conserve them? What does it mean, conservation? Who can tell me? Who can tell me what does it mean, conservation? Yasmina. Hi, Yasmina. Can you tell me, can you read for me, what does it mean, conservation? Are you here, Yasmina? Yasmina, you opened your mic, but I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. So conservation, what does it mean? Read. Conservation is? The last red line.
Okay. Conversation is saving resource by using them wisely.
Excellent. What do they mean by using them wisely? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you guys about it. Thank you, Yasmina. Thank you. Using them wisely means if you don't need them, do not use them. And while you are not using them, please turn them off. Starting from the lights in your room. If you're not using the lights, turn them off. If you're not using the TV, turn the TV off or unplug the TV so you cannot use electricity too much all these are non-renewable resources. We need to use them wisely so they do not disappear quickly. Okay, guys, Habibi, that was everything for today. Do you have any question? Please, if you have any question, raise your hand. Yes, Ya Batul.
It's not really a question, but I want to tell you something.
Batul Habibi, while I'm recording, I want only questions about the lesson, okay? After we finish recording,
After that, you get all the question. Could you hear me?
yes, of course, I will, right? Yes. Hi, Ya Lamar, you are raising your hand. Is it a question about the lesson? No? All right. Hi, Ya Mariuma, is it about the lesson? No? So, okay, that's it for today. Let's say bye-bye to recording, everyone. Bye-bye, recording. See you, inshallah, tomorrow.